So here's how to fund my Bitunix wallet. First of all, you need to log in to your Bitunix account. And as you can see, we're already logged in. Now, hover over on your wallet icon on the top right and click on Total Assets. After that, you'll be taken to the Assets Overview page on Bitunix. Once you're here, you will get to see this option that says Deposit on the top. Click on it. Then, on this page, click on Select Coin. You can scroll through these options to choose one or select one from these suggestions. I will select USDT. After that, click on Select Network. You can choose from any of these networks available, but I will go with Tron or TRC20. Then, on the Details section, all you need to do is click on Copy. Now, all you need to do is go over to the account or wallet from where you want to fund your Bitunix wallet. Then use your USDT wallet address that you just copied and send over the funds to your Bitunix wallet. Keep in mind that you need to use the same network that you used here. Otherwise, you will be risking losing your funds. And that is exactly how to fund my Bitunix wallet.